little high. Oh, jeez. Ah, dang. Followed that right up to the end. Oh, that's quite a bit deeper. Oh, there we go. Hooked up. What we got? What we got? Oh, dang it. Let's bomb it out there. See if we can get something. Oh, jeez. Whoa, did you see that? Oh, that's a beast. What is this? That is a beast. What are you? What are you? Let's get you up on the bank, bud. No. Come on. You're a drum. Oh, look at you. Actually, did you really hook me? You hooked me, bud. Alright. Huh, I guess you can. I think you're my first drum I ever caught. Alright, just because I don't know if the GoPro's filming, bud, I'm going to take a picture of you. And then we'll get you back in that water. There you go. What a beast. That would have been something to catch and cook. You see the water coming out of the weeds? Yeah, you know it's high. There we go. Hooked up. Hooked up. What we got? Oh, is that a little smallie? Rock bass. Let's go. Nice little rock bass. Alright. A not so gentle release. He's fine. Top water maybe? Maybe? Oh, instant. Let's go. Oh, I am doing something wrong. There is someone else willing. Alright, let's see if we can keep him low. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. Come on. Did you have to run into the... Just don't know about this one. Oh, yep, there we go. It's not a huge one. But it at least is one. Come here. Come here. Pretty fish. Well, what happened to you? Got another one. Another little one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, we put on the heat there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you're barely hooked, bud. Don't need no grass on the hook. Do this without messing up. There we go. Oh. Ah, that's that sunfish I was talking about. I think it's a long ear. Look at the pretty colors on this fish. How pretty that fish is. Alright. There he goes. GoPro just died. I'm on my way out. Nice. Little largy.